By the time we hit question 16, we know the drill. It's a local question because it starts with an if. However, they do throw us a little change up here. Instead of a must be true or a could be true, they're asking for an accurate list of the spaces in week 4 and 5. This is a local question, but it's also a partial solution question. A solution question says, show me everybody in weeks 1 through 7. A partial solution question pulls a couple of weeks out and asks about them instead of the whole. The best way to handle these is to rewrite your answers into the scratch paper so that you can see the spaces that they're not mentioning. So think we have 7 spaces. In all of them, we're going to place an M, and then we're going to place whatever the answer choice says to place. So for example, answer choice A, it'll be MGT. And then right underneath that, I'm just going to write all of the things that it could be. So now, on a partial solution question, most of the time, just applying the rules will be enough to eliminate answer choices. So for example, we have a rule that says you can't have consecutive anything. So that rule is going to get rid of answer choice C. You can't have 2 M's in a row. Now we also have another rule about M, which says that you have to have a G in between your 2 M's. So that would kill answer choice E, because it has a T in between the 2 M's. We also have a rule that says if you have a J, you have to have a G in front of it. Answer choice D has a T in front of it, and answer choice B has an M in front of it. So the only answer choice it could be then is answer choice A. We could even fill in the rest of the things that would be in answer choice A. You know the last one has to be a T. You know that you have to have a GJ somewhere, so it'll have to be up front. Then that last one would have to be your second M. So it'd be GJ, M, GT, MT. And now that we're done with the local questions, it's time to do cleanup with the global questions and any oddballs that are left over after that.